Hi, I am Harsh from Team CodeSpace, and this is GigShield, a parametric income insurance platform for quick commerce riders. So basically, today we have a lot of these Blinkit and Zepto riders who earn 800 to 1200 rupees a day, and their entire income depends on a small radius of 1.5 to 2 kilometers zone around that particular dark store. And due to some activity, maybe due to some local body activity or a natural activity, that particular zone may be affected, and that particular rider's earning will be affected due to that activity. And in cities like Delhi or Bangalore, those disruptions can even prolong to 4 to 6 days. And due to that particular long duration, the income with no safety net, no compensation, nothing can range to 3,800 to 5,700 rupees in 1 week. And that's a huge loss for a rider. Hence, we have Gig Shield, our solution. So basically, in this, the rider pays a weekly premium of 69 rupees to 209 rupees, which is completely AI adjusted per zone. What that means is that every zone has a different parameters and their values, and those 5 parameters are the triggers, which are all API verifiable, and those parameters decide that how much that particular zone is in the risk state. If the 5 parameters are triggered, the fraud check happens in the background, and the UPI payout is done in 2 hours. No claim forms. The rider has to do nothing. No forms, no waiting, and no manual process. No man in the middle. And those 5 triggers are basically the waterlogging triggers, the heat trigger, the AQI, and market closure and platform outage. So basically, waterlogging is hyperlook around that particular dark store. If due to some reason the waterlogging is there and the dark store is not in operation, and then we have heat. There are cases in Delhi and other metro cities that the temperature is very high and it's not really comfortable for the rider to work in those for hours. And then we have AQI. So basically, in cities like the Delhi, Mumbai, and then Bangalore, we have very high AQI for sometimes, and those particular consecutive week, the riders can't really work properly. Then we have market closure. There are many local bodies who sometimes just close the market for some reason or due to some activity, political activity, etc. Then we have platform outage. Maybe the app was down for some time. So basically, these 5 triggers are what will determine if that particular rider will get the payout or not. And these all will be verified by the API. And as we talked about basically the AI part, we have 3 models. The model 1 is for the risk engine to check what's the risk score of that particular zone and assign a risk score to that particular rider for a weekly basis. And this is done using a XGBoost engine. Then we have the second model, which is the forest fraud detection, to basically detect if that particular claim was not a fraudulent activity by using the GPS data values, the past activities, any duplicate claims, and the past pattern of that particular rider. Then we have the LSTM disruption forecaster. So basically, that will forecast the 7-day payout liability forecast for the insurer dashboard. The payout is completely automated, hence there is no man in the middle. But in case if discrepancy is there, it will be pushed to the manual process and it will be manually checked. So for this, we will be having 2 different platforms. The rider will use the progressive web app, which is basically like there is no app to install. The rider will just use the link to use the app, and for the insurer, we will be making the web dashboard, which will be a website complete with live map, claims, and analytics made by the riders. So rider will use the app, and insurer will use the dashboard. The technologies we will be using will be React.js, Fast API, Firebase for the basic UI and front-end part. Then we have scikit-learn, TensorFlow for the machine learning and AI part. Then we have Open Weather Map, AQICN, and Google Maps API for the parameters checking. The total cost will be zero, since these all APIs and the frameworks are basically free of cost, open source available. And with this, we have completed our phase one roadmap. And from tomorrow, we will be pushing to the phase two roadmap, where we will be making the actual product. Thank you.